Hi, this is Lisa Langell and I'm in beautiful Scottsdale, Arizona. But today I want to talk to you about Salt Lake City because this spring I'll be doing the Salt Lake City Birding Festival where I'll be leading some classes and teaching you how to photograph birds better. And yes, we can do basics from exposure to birds in flight, but I also want to bring in some really creative ideas for those of you who want to really change your own personal style and improve it in ways you haven't maybe been able to do before. I've got some really creative techniques for before, during, and after the shot, and we'll be talking about your work as a true art form. I'll give you lots of help and support, and we're going to have a really good time as well. So I hope to see you in Salt Lake. The details are on my website. Meantime, have a great day and happy shooting. Take care.